सत्यमेव जयते नानृतं. It is truth that conquers and not falsehood. It's truth that conquers, not falsehood. Okay. Bhumika. Idam Upanishad Vakyam Satyasya Sarvotkristata Khyapakam Asatyasya Nikrishtata Avedakam Cha Iti Subhyaktameva. Idam Upanishad Vakyam, this Vakya from Upanishad, Satyasya Sarvotkristata, the superiority of the truth, it Khyapakam, it shines the superiority of the truth. Asatyasya Nikrishtata Avedakam. It tells
informs.
It informs the despicability of falsehood.
Wow. Okay, very clearly. Subhyaktameva.
Cheti subhyaktameva. It's very clear. Upanishad Vakyadeva Jayate iti Atmane Padaprayogaha Sadhurbhavati. Because it is from Upanishad, Jayate is in Atmane Prayoga, and that is okay because it is from Arsha Prayoga.
Arsha Prayoga. Otherwise, it is a Parasmay Padaprayoga.
Asmakinam
Prabhutvam.
Asmakinam Prabhutvamapi Idameva Vakyam Dharma Chakre Swadesha Chinhe Sarva Pradhanyena Niradikshat. Asmakinam, our Prabhutvam, I think here it is government, right? Prabhutvam. Prabhutvam.
Yeah, you can say that. Asmakinam Prabhutvam api, our lordship, no, our administration.
Administration, okay. Our administration also, idameva vakyam, this sentence only, dharma chakre swadesha chinhe sarva. In the dharma chakra and in our national emblem, sarva pradhanyena, as a prominent
feature.
Feature, they proclaim, Niradikshat announces, proclaim.
Nirdishati ityasya lung lakaraha. Niradikshat. This sentence has been pointed out as the most important, Sarva Pradhanyena, in the emblem of our country, which is the Dharma Chakram.
Okay.
Oh, actually, Asmakinam Prabhutvam, our administration is the Karta here. Idameva Vakyam will be your karma. Asmakam, our administration has proclaimed this sentence in the Dharma Chakra. Okay.
Asyaiva Vakyasya Arthaha Satyam Vada Nanrutam Vadet iti Shruti Vakyabhyam Prabodhyate. The meaning of this sentence is always tell the truth, nanrutam vadet, not false.
Do not say,
never tell the false.
Never
do
tell
not
a
say
lie.
the false. This Shruti Vakya, this Veda Vakyabhyam, these two Veda Vakyas are Prabodhyate.
This sentence's meaning is being explained by the two Shruti Vakyams, which is Satyam Vada and Nanritam Vadit.
Is being explained. Okay. Karmani Prayoga. Being explained. Okay. Satyamiti padam parabrahma vachakatvena vedaha amananti. The Vedas consider the word Satyam as denoting Parabrahma.
Vachaka is the denotion of Shakti, right? It's the word that denotes Parabrahman.
Oh, Vachaka Shakti. Okay.
Vachya is the Artha. Parabrahmam Vachyatvena Parabrahmanaha Vachakatvena Satyam iti padam vartate.
Okay. Yatha Satyam Gnanam Anantam Brahma iti Bhagavat Swarupameva Satyamiti महात्मनाम् अभिप्रायः यथा such as or as known satyam gnanam anantam brahma, truth, knowledge, anantam,
Infinite
infinite,
Brahma.
and brahma, okay, brahma only, or what
There
is
is
the
no meaning translation for that. So
Hmm. Hmm. Iti, this is Bhagavat Swarupameva. This is the true form of the God himself. Bhagavat Swarupa. Satyam iti okay. Bhagavat Swarupameva Satyam. So Bhagavat, the form of the God himself is truth. This is the abhipraya. This is the opinion of great people, Mahatmanam.
Because there is a Samanadhikaranyam here, all 4 words are said in the same Vachanam, Vibhakti, and gender. So Satyam, Jnanam. Satyam is equal to Jnanam is equal to Anantam is equal to Brahman. So that is why Bhagavat Swarupameva Tatra Satyam iti natu Satya Gunavan Brahma iti nasti.
Okay. यः खलु सत्यं पालयति स परमपुरुषमाराधयति इत्येव मनीषिणां सिद्धान्तः. The scholars conclusion
Siddhanta
or
is
siddhanta
position.
it is one who follows the truth is worshipping sakshat parabrahma.
Okay.
सत्यवाक्य परिपालनं नितरां कष्टसाध्यम्. It is very hard to follow truth. मानव जीविते बहवः क्लेशाः आपतन्ति. In human life many sufferings befall or
difficulties come.
धर्मानुसरण दीक्षितः अपि जनः कदाचित् क्लेशविस्तरणाय अनृतवादी भवति. धर्मानुसरण दीक्षितः, one who has taken vow that he will follow dharma, those kind of people also kadachit sometimes klesha vistaranaya, to reduce the difficulty, right?
Yeah, to cross difficulties.
Anritavadi bhavati. Sometimes they also tell false or tell lies. Anritavadi bhavati. Those people,
Actually Vistaranam is spreading.
Exaggerate சொல்ல மாட்டேன். Like they sometimes கொஞ்சம் கூட சொல்லிக்க அந்த மாதிரி சொல்றது இல்லையோ?
Yeah, Anritavadi is falsehood. Dharma Anusarana Dikshitaha api Klesha Taranayan இருக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Vistaranayan to expand ன்னு அர்த்தம். You can't have that here, right?
To diffuse the difficulty or suffering or something.
To make it a little bit lesser.
Spread out. Like
exaggerate.
So to exaggerate the klesham, they might say lies. அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கிறீங்களா?
To make it less difficult, the situation, they just tell some lies. Like, why are you late? They tell some lies.
To scatter off their difficulties. Okay. Okay. Atayeva.
Scatter of their difficulties are to make like exaggerate whatever sufferings they are elaborating, their sufferings they are exaggerating until
okay to explain and exaggerate their sufferings they say a lie. Okay.
Oh, okay.
That's good.
Atayeva dharmashastramaphi प्राणवित्त मानभंग विवाहादिषु परमावश्यकतया क्लेशातिपाताय सुखसाधनत्वेन च अनृतवचनम् अनुमन्यते. अतएव that is why dharmashastramaphi, even the dharmashastras, prana is life, vitta is wealth, manabhanga is loss of respect, vivahadishu, for in case of wedding,
Marriages.
marriages, paramavashyakataya, when it is highly necessary, right?
Highly
Kleshati
necessary to
pataya,
cross the suffering.
to cross the suffering, or sukha sadhanatvena cha, to get some benefit or comfort, or sukha sadhanatvena.
They
In
have
order to
used,
get some
they
benefit.
have accepted Amrita Vachanam, they have accepted speaking falsehood as a sadhanam for sukham.
Hmm.
Hmm?
Okay,
Sukha
as a means,
sadhanatvena Amrita Vachanam anumanyanta. It goes with that.
Means to achieve sukha, Amrita Vachanam anumanyante.
Yeah.
Dharmarajah api द्रोणवधोपायतया अश्वत्थामा हतः इति उच्चैरुच्चार्य कुञ्जर इति यथाश्रुतम् अब्रवीदिति भारतेतिहासादवगम्यते. भारत इतिहासात् अवगम्यते. Dharmarajah api, even Dharmaraja, the Pandavas, Yudhishthira, Dronavadhopayataya, as a
solution to
upaya,
killing,
solution to killing Drona. Ashwattama hataha iti uchchairucharya, he loudly told, proclaimed or announced Ashwattama is dead. And then Kunjara iti yathashrutam abravit iti. Kunjara, that word he told just as just it should be heard
in a normal voice, just
so
as it should be heard.
Normal voice.
So Ashwattama hataha, Ashwattama was killed. Kunjara is an elephant.
Elephant. Bharata itihasad avagamyate. By Mahabharatam, this is known. तस्य अनृतस्य फलत्वेनैव धर्मराजस्य यमलोकदर्शनम् अवश्यापतितम् इति विपश्चितः वदन्ति. विपश्चितः means विद्वांसः. The scholars tell that because of this anrutasya palatvam, because as of the fruit of the telling this lies, or the result of telling this lie, Dharmaraja had to see the Yamaloka when they were finally after the Pandavas died, they went right?
They walked through the Yamalokam.
So it fell on him. Avashyam apatitam. Definitely it fell on him, that seeing Yamaloka Darshana
was a definite thing for him. Because it was a result of this untruth.
धर्मशास्त्रेण क्वचित् कदाचित् असत्यभाषणं युक्तमिति प्रतिपादिते अपि तत्फलं तु क्लेशरूपं नियतमेव अनुभवितव्यमिति कौन्तेय दृष्टान्तेन निश्चेतुं शक्यते. धर्मशास्त्रेण क्वचित् कदाचित् युक्तं. Although by dharma shastra kvachit, kutrachit, in some places, kadachit, in for at sometimes, asatya bhashanam yuktamiti pratipadite api. Although by dharma shastra it is
shown,
told that shown that telling lies is okay in some places and during some time. Tat phalam tu, the result of that, klesha rupam, which causes in the form of suffering, niyatameva anubhavitavyam, definitely has to be experienced. This can be ascertained by seeing the example of Kaunteya, Yudhishthira. अतएव हरिश्चंद्रः बहुधा क्लेशितः अपि विश्वामित्रेण नानृतम् अवोचत्. There, that is why Harishchandra, although getting tormented very much by Vishwamitra, nanratam eva avochat, he never told lies, or always told truth. Nanratam.
Avochat is
avochat lung lakara.
Non-ritam is like double negative. Ritam
ம்.
Anritam,
Anritam, na
Nanritam.
anritam.
Like it's like
Brute.
anapoda.
ಅನಪೋಡ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಮಾದ್ರಿ.
Correct.
ಅವೋಚತ್ ವಚ್ ಧಾತೋಃ और ब्रू लुङ्. सत्यवाक्
सत्यवाक् परिपालेन स सर्वोत्तमां प्रतिष्ठाम् अलभत सर्वोत्कृष्टं च शाश्वतं सुखम् अन्वभूत् इति तत् कथया अवगम्यते. By following the truth, सत्यवाक् परिपालनेन सः हरिश्चन्द्रः सर्वोत्तमां प्रतिष्ठाम् अलभत. He attained the highest status. And then sarvotkristam cha shashvatam sukham anvabhut. He also experienced the permanent happiness and
which is best,
superior
which is the superior
best
to everything else. Correct. Iti.
This is understood tat kathaya gnayate, by that story. Mahatma Gandhi satyam paramadharmatvena paryapalayat. Gandhiji also, Gandhiji followed Satya as the ultimate dharma.
Perfect.
Paramadharma. Tasya satyavak palane Harishchandra katha eva mahantam adaram udapadayat.
Utpadayati udapadayat. It created a great respect for him. Mahantam adaram.
Tasya satyavak palane, in his following of truth, Harishchandra katha eva, this story of Harishchandra itself or
alone
Mahantam created high respect, right? Mahantam adaram. Udapadayat langlakara, right?
Yes.
महात्मनः गान्धेः बाल्ये हरिश्चन्द्रकथा नितरां प्रियतमा अवतिष्ठेति तज्जीवितम् अधीयानां न तिरोदितं. महात्मनः गान्धेः बाल्ये, during the childhood of Mahatma Gandhi, Harishchandra katha nitaram priyatama avatishtheti. Avatishta iti.
iti. Okay. Avatishta va. Avatishthati.
Katha avatishta.
Avatishta varadu. Avasthita varlam. You can't have avatishta. So I would say
avatishtheta.
No. Nitaram priyatama
atishta varada. அவாதிஷ்டன்னு வந்துரும். அப்புறம் ஈ வந்ததுன்னா அதுக்கப்புறம்
அவாதிஷ்டதிதி.
அவாதிஷ்டத் அப்புறம் அப்படி அந்த மாதிரி வச்சுக்கலாம்.
அவாதிஷ்டதிதி தஜ்ஜீவிதம் அதீயானாம்
Tiroditam. It is not hidden, or it's very well very well known fact.
It is
for
not
the
denied.
People who study his,
well known fact. Correct. For
it's
people,
not a hidden fact.
It's not a hidden fact. That those who study his life history or Jeevitam, right? For them, it is not a hidden fact that for Mahatma Gandhi during his childhood, Harishchandra katha was very Priyatama.
Was very dear to him. Favorite.
Very dear. Favorite. Very favorite.
After he became adult, it was no longer a Priyatama. Which some other story became his Priyatama?
From his childhood எடுத்துக்கலாமே. Even in his childhood அப்படி போட்டுக்கலாம்.
Okay.
अधीयानः अधीते इत्यस्य चाणच्च இல்லையா?
षष्ठी बहुवचन.
Yes. अधीयानानां वराது?
அதீயானாம்.
ஆமா, அதீயானானாம் தான் வரும். ஆமா
இல்லையா? Let me check. अधीते அதோட you'll have to look at the kridantam.
Adhiyanaha, adhiyananam.
Adhiyananam varnam.
Double na.
Yeah. Those who study his jivitam. Ateva.
So this is avatishtat, right? Avatishtat.
Yeah, avatishtat, avatisthate, avatishtata iti arkla. Ha, okay. Because ava purvaka stha ityasya atmanepadi bhavati. There is a sutram there.
Okay.
Samava prabibhyo ஒரு சூத்திரம் இருக்கு. I know. So this should be avatishthateti.
Oh.
Okay, yeah. That sounds more like it.
Yeah. That explains the typo, right?
Correct. Okay.
अतएव सत्यान्नास्ति परो धर्मः इत्युद्घुष्यन्ते.
Iti udghushyate. It is being proclaimed. That's why
it is being proclaimed. That is why it's being proclaimed that there is nothing ultimate dharma.
There is no
Satya.
greater dharma than
greater
Satya.
dharma. Greater dharma than Satya. Next, Parama Purusha Swarupa Bhritasya Satyasya Ekasyaiva Anushtane api sarvesham dharmanam anushtanam sarvatha siddham bhavati ityatra na leshatah api dvaparaha. Parama Purusha Swarupa Bhritasya Satyasya. The truth which is of the very form of Parama Purusha, Satyasya Ekasyeva, that kind of truth, by following just that Anushtanena, by just following that Satya, Sarvesham Dharmanam Anushtanam Sarvata Siddham. So by following just that Satya, all the dharmas,
it becomes siddhi. You become successful in following all the dharmas there. Every dharma becomes a success in you if you follow just that one Satya with dharma, which is the Swarupa Bhutam of Parameshwara, Paramapurusha.
Parameshwara.
Iti atra
in this there is no not even an ounce of samshaya. Dvapara
doubt. Dvaparaha samshayaha.
Dvaparaha, is there some kind of split or is it just one word like that?
Dvayoho vishayoho paraha dvaparaha.
That Dvapara Yugam is not like this.
There is for Yugam you will take it as Dvau Parau Yasmat. There are two yugas which are better than this yuga. So it is called Dvapara Yuga.
Better than this yuga?
Krita Yugam and Treta Yugam were better than Dvapara Yugam. That is why this is called Dvapara.
Okay, so
and
this
for this
one is
Dvayoho Vishayoho.
Paraha.
What did you say for this?
Paraha. That is Tatparaha, we say, right? Asaktaha. Vishayadvaya yuktaha iti. So usually Sandehastu tatra dvikotikam bhavati.
Naming of the yuga happened during the yuga or after the yuga?
Naming of the yugam. Yugangal ella cyclic. Seriya?
Okay.
So yathapurvam asrijata and எத்தனை தடவை நம்ம பாகவதத்துல படிக்கிறோம்.
Yeah.
அதுதான்.
That name is also Apaurushayam then.
That's all. It is a endless, infinite cycle of time.
Satya himsa rupabhyam dvabhyameva Satya ahimsa rupabhyam dvabhyameva dharmabhyam bahun kleshan anubhuya api swabhishtam desha swatantriyam samapadayat महात्मा गान्धिः इति विदितप्रायमेव आधुनिकैः अपि इट इज वेल नोन विदितप्रायमेव आधुनिकैः अपि by these modern day people or today's people by today's people also it's very well known that satya and ahimsa by following only these two dvabhyam eva dharmabhyam in spite of having many difficulties experiencing many difficulties swabhishtam desha swatantrayam samapadayat Mahatma Gandhi achieved his desired independence for the nation by following just satya and ahimsa dharma.
I think
Although
you
it was
take
very hard
this.
to follow.
No, I think you take the Satya Ahimsa for this as a fifth case. Even though he experienced a lot of klesha because of or by following Satya and Ahimsa, still he achieved his goal.
So because of Pancham.
See, that
Despite
klesha
experience.
anubhavaha tu tatra satyena ahimsaya cha saha bahun kleshan anubhavati sma. Tathapi saha swa abhishtam sampadayati sma.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mahatma Gandhi faced many difficulties, although experiencing many difficulties despite following, by
Because
following
of,
Satya and Ahimsa, he experienced many difficulties, yet he achieved his desired goal. Okay. That is very well known even by today's people.
Today's people, yeah.
Tasmat sarvashreya sandhayakam Bhagavat Swarupaparaparyayam Dharmam Sevamana Janaha Samedhante Swabhishta Puranena iti Nishchapracham. Dharmam Sevamanaha Janaha Samedhante Swabhishta Puranena by fulfilling their desires. People who follow dharma prosper. Iti Nishchapracham is very well known fact. By what? Sarvashreya Sandhayakam Bhagavat Swarupa Aparaparyayam. So this following Satya, which is Sarvashreya Sandhayaka, which gives all kinds of
No,
success.
Dharma. Dharma gives all kind of shreyas.
Dharma, okay.
Yeah, so this is an adjective for dharma here. Tasmat, hence, by those people who serve dharma, which is another name for Bhagavat Swarupam and Sarvashreya Sandhayakam. And it is also giving all sorts of prosperity. By serving such a dharma, people prosper. Samedhante. And by fulfilling their desires.
Swabhishta Purana.
This is Nishchapracham. This is very Nischiyate. Nischitam cha.
Prachitam cha.
Prachitam cha.
So this was a statement from Mundakopanishad.
Yedu?
Satyameva Jayate.
Satyameva Jayate Nanritam. Upanishad. Yes.
Okay.
Mundakopanishad, yes.
Yeah.
Nadia, that Anvadesha, what I was telling is applicable for the, I was thinking about the Sutra 8.120, Yushmadasmado Shashti Chaturthi Dvitiyas Teyavan, and that Sutra only I was saying. So she was telling that we cannot put it in the beginning of the Pada for those two Yushmad and Asmad.
Enam milliye. Not Enam is not there. No?
Yeah, because Anvadesha means everything I was thinking like that.
So usually appo inge vandu it can be Enam. Evam is what is given in the books, so we'll just take it as Evam. That's fine.
Yeah. But if we need it,
last
we can
line Sevamana, it is Shanach Mode.
Shanach. Sevate ityasya Shanach. Continuous. Sevamanaha. Sevittu kondir. Kindra Janangal Samedhante. So Samedhante is your verb here. Edhante. Samyak Vardhante iti. Okay.
They mix up like Swabhishta Puranena, they have given later. Samedhita, they have given first, right? So
It's a way of saying, you know, a stylistic way of like a speech. Imagine that someone is
Correct.
standing on a stage and they are giving a speech which is very flowery like this. They're not teaching here. They're showing you the different styles to write or different styles to speak, like in an oration.
அந்த
If we go to
இருக்குல்ல,
oratorical competition and all, we will speak only like this.
Correct.
என்ன
இந்த வேதானாம் பிராமுக்கியத்துல அந்த வரி வர்த்தத்தைக்கும் அது இன்னொன்னு என்ன சொன்னேன், அந்த
வர்வர்த்தி.
அது ரெண்டும் என்ன, அது ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் என்ன ஒரே மீனிங் தானா?
ஒரே மீனிங், the same meaning. Yeah, varivarti and varvarti, both young lugantam. If I'll just show you, just share that page, you can see எவ்வளவு ஃபார்ம்ஸ் இருக்கு பாருங்க. வரிவர்த்தி, வரிவிருத்தி, இது வரிவர்த்தி, இவ்வளவு ஃபார்ம்ஸ் இருக்கு அதுக்கு. So varvarti is also there, varivarti is also there. Namakku maina vandu this or this, you can have double tha or single tha, both are correct. And varvarti and varvarti, the same thing. These two are the common things that you will find, varivarti and varvarti. Okay. Yeah,
Excessively present, right?
excessively present. ஆமா, அவ்வளவு வேண்டாம் நம்ம வந்து